How to edit Odoo website in mobile. I'm going to tell you how to edit your Odoo website using a mobile device. While Odoo's website editor is primarily designed for desktop, you can still make quick edits on your mobile browser. Start by opening your mobile browser and logging in to your Odoo account. Navigate to your website's backend by adding /website to your site URL. Once there, switch to edit mode by tapping the edit button. Though the interface is simplified on mobile, you can still change text, update images, and rearrange some blocks. For best results, use a tablet or a phone with a larger screen and zoom in to accurately tap elements. Keep in mind that some advanced features might be limited or harder to use on mobile, so major changes are better saved for desktop. But for quick fixes like updating copy or swapping out banners, editing your Odoo website on mobile is totally doable.